Welcome to a demonstration of the MaxGood Enterprise Avatar and how it's integrated with Jira to coach people on achieving a definition of ready for new issues. So we're going to start by creating a new issue, and we're going to do a super simple example where the issue is completely not meeting the definition of ready. It's a boring issue and there's nothing to see here. So when we submit the issue, we will immediately get some feedback that you can see as a message from MaxGood on the issue itself. The feedback basically says, hey, thanks for submitting your issue. MaxGood will reach out with support if warranted. So in the back end, it's actually processing, it's using the AI systems to decide if follow-up and support is indeed warranted. Now, we're giving that feedback through email support. Could be other ways, but in this case, the support is comprehensive, saying, hey, you need to do all these different things to create an issue that meets the definition of ready. So going back, now we're going to do another example. This time, we're going to do an issue that is perfectly compliant with the definition of ready. And again, we've put together a really simple definition of ready for this so that basically all it needs is, of course, the description or the title. It also needs a business justification for the submitted issue. So something that clearly points to something like ROI or something like that. And then finally, two business-related acceptance criteria. And so there's selected the justification and then two simple measurable business acceptance criteria. When this is submitted, the thing that's going to be interesting is, of course, there's going to be the immediate response in a message on the issue itself, but there won't be any follow-up because this issue is actually created properly. It meets the definition of ready. Now again, we're doing this asynchronously because the Jira system has a very fast timeout and the AI systems are a little bit too slow for that. So instead we send it by email. We could attach it as a message to the Jira issue. We could do it through Microsoft Teams or something like that. Now our third example is going to be an issue that is submitted that's only partially ready. And it's important to note here that there's no custom fields. There's no, field that says business justification. There's no field that says business acceptance criteria 1, acceptance criteria 2. And so what's happening is the backend system is taking the text, comparing it to an organization-specific or department-specific definition of ready, and then providing feedback that's based on the gaps between what's actually submitted and, of course, the standard that's expected for the organization. Here, what I'm doing is I'm providing the user story part and the business justification for the issue. But what I'm not doing is I'm not including any business acceptance criteria. So again, it's a sales improvement report. It's for sales managers, and the business justification is to help people learn and improve revenue and sales effectiveness. So as usual, when we view the issue, we will see the immediate acknowledgement and the thanks for submitting. But now when we go to the email and see what's actually been provided, the action recommended is narrowed down. It acknowledges what's good about the issue that's been submitted and says, well, you're missing business-oriented acceptance criteria. So this is MaxGood integration with Jira. We've got lots of other possible integrations into your business workflow.